Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today I'm showing you a cool product we sell on our e-store, and that is the handlebar mounted 12 volt accessory plug. So this video we're going to take a detailed look at this accessory, why you might want it, and we'll get to see where we can get it from as well. We do sell this on our e-store and we can ship it right to your door. So first we're going to start by taking a look at it installed on this Ural. You can see it's on the handlebars right here in a very nice, convenient location, especially if you had maybe like a phone or GPS mount elsewhere on the bike, then it's going to be a nice short cord distance to your device. We can see it's just an American style 12 volt cigarette lighter, you know, some may call it, or just accessory plug. And why might you want to do this and not one that's already just has a couple USB ports? Well, this gives you a lot more options on what you want to plug into it, because a lot of accessories like a GPS, they just use this style plug. And then remember too, you can just get a USB adapter to plug into this. So then, like I said, it just gives you more options of what you want to use it for. You're not kind of just stuck to a USB port. And we will take a close look at this in just a few minutes and the harness you get with it, but I will mention now, very high quality rubber waterproof cap that goes on it. Now let's take just a quick look at this highly customized Ural. This Ural has tons of goodies on it from our e-store. This customer really built their dream bike with us. So if any of these other accessories, like these fork mounted LED driving lights, this retro style number plate on the fender, we have a sidecar LED light mounted on the fender, the windscreen on the sidecar, various other things to mention. All these will be linked in the description of this video, so definitely check those out and view them on our e-store. But now, as I mentioned just a couple minutes ago, let's take a close look at this accessory plug. We can check out the quality and the harness we get with it. Now with the parts laid out, let's take a closer look. This is everything you get out of the package. First, we'll start with the plug itself. It's mounted in a very nice mount for the handlebars, and it has a little rubber insert to help with the vibration dampening, and even the nuts are set in specific captive holes so they won't turn when you're tightening these. So I thought that was a very nice touch as well, just very well thought out. You know, they really didn't have to do that, but they did. And another very impressive thing is the rubber cap for this. This thing is really thick and it's a very tight fit. You actually really have to use some elbow grease to get this thing off. So if I show you here, there we are. You can see there's even like an indent for the groove in the cap to kind of slide into. Like, I do not recommend dunking this underwater, but if for some reason that did happen, I think this thing might be okay. It's that kind of impressive and heavy duty. So, you know, if this thing's on your handlebars, you know, you're going through torrential downpours and the like, and you've got this cap on, you know, that's really what it's designed for. And I like that it's very evident, you know, using that, you're not going to have a worry with, you know, this being mounted on your handlebars, which is out in the elements because it is, you know, on a motorcycle. We have a nice long harness here with our connector, which will go to the included fused harness, which, you know, these will just put right on your battery leads. You know, so very easy, straightforward installation. Really, depending on the bike you have, the hardest part is just going to be, you know, running your wires in a safe and clean, you know, location, so it looks as factory as possible, and the wires, you know, aren't in the way of any moving components. So just all a very nice touch, and you get a lot for your money in this kit. So now that we're more familiar with these parts, let's find out where we can get them from. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward and modern layout. At the top of the listing here, we have current pricing, this being accurate at the time of filming. If there are any reviews, we can view those here. Now moving to our high quality photo gallery, we see some nice close detailed photos. We have the nice harness with the fuse there, and the accessory even installed on our Ural right here. And moving below our photo gallery, we have a detailed description which highlights the product's features, specifications, vehicle fitment notes, and any installation instructions if they're available. So now that you're familiar with the product and where to get it, I'll give some final comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope now you're well informed on the 12-volt handlebar mounted accessory plug. Like I said, we can ship this right to your door, so definitely check it out on our e-store. Please leave a like on this video and consider subscribing so then you stay in the loop and you don't miss any of the newest cars, bikes, and accessories we have to offer here at AlphaCars. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom, and until next time.